All right, everybody, welcome back to MojoBreak.com. My name is Jacob. Today we got 2022 Topps Chrome Platinum Anniversary. This is going to be 6-box break random team style. Random team number 8. We'll head over to random.org to determine your guys' spots in the break. All right, guys, all teams in this break. All teams in. Here is the full list of teams and names and the full list of teams. I'm going to start by rolling the virtual dice to determine your guys' spots in the break. If I land on Snake Eyes, I default to 3. Here we go. All right, 2 and 5 is 7. 7 times in the random. Gonna start with the teams. Here we go. 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. All right, Brew Crew at the top and Minnesota at the bottom. 7 times in the random. All right. All right, guys, there's the teams. Here we go. 7 times for your names. Starting now. Good luck, everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. All right. J-Star at the top and Joshua at the bottom. 7 times in the random. All right, y'all. There is the full list of teams and names. If you guys are interested in making any trades, give you guys like a minute in the chat to trade. And we will go ahead and get started. All right, you guys, there's the full list of teams and names. Good luck, everybody, in the break. Like I said, give you guys like a minute or two, and then we'll go ahead and get started, y'all. There is the full list of teams and names. All right, guys, no trades in the chats. Let's rip. Here we go. All right, everybody, welcome back to MojoBreak.com. My name is Jacob. Today we got 2022 Topps Chrome Platinum Anniversary 6-box break random team number 8. Drew for you guys teams on random.org. No trades in the chats. Here we go, y'all. Good luck. Good luck. All right, everybody. Make sure you guys go grab some spots in some of those other breaks, you guys. We are filling up 2 more hockey breaks. Got a random team and a PYT. That PYT is only 1 team left in that break, you guys. Go, somebody go grab that last team mojo. Last team mojo. It's the Philadelphia Flyers. If you guys are interested in that break, link is second from the bottom of the chat. If you guys are interested in that random team break, go ahead and click it second from the bottom of the. Excuse me. The random team break is the link nearest to the bottom. Link for that PYT is second from the bottom of the chat, though. If you guys want to check out any other breaks we got scheduled, make sure to click that link that's pinned to the top of the chat. It says today's breaks found here. If you guys click that, it'll take you to a page that has every single break I am doing today. Only 3 more to fill after this, actually. If you guys are interested, make sure to go grab your spots at some of those other breaks. Test your luck in that random team hockey break, you guys. You never know. You never know. Pretty expensive high-end hockey, you guys. Throw a shot in the dark. You never know. 40 bucks. You could get one of, if not the biggest team on the board. Random team style. Only $39.99 a spot, y'all. Woo, man, it is toasty. Oh man, Chris, I know. I saw you didn't get the Mariners. You got the Pirates though. That's one of the best teams, and the Pirates probably hit the most out of all the teams I've seen. They definitely get a good amount of rookie autos in here, so that's a plus. But hey, good luck in the break. Good luck, Chris. Got the Tigers too. Tigers a good team to get as well, Chris. About Torkelson rookies. Tigers another team that hit a lot too. Good luck though. Good luck. Hopefully we could get you a big rookie or veteran auto. Here we go, y'all. Good luck. Good luck. To 100, Hans Kraus for the Phillies. Jim Thome, Eloy, Lars Nootbaar, Brian Reynolds, Casey Mize, Refractor, Chris Bassett for the Mets. That's non-number, those refractors. Whitey Ford, Lou Bob. Kike Hernandez, recently traded. To 50, Kyle Lewis for the Mariners. Gold wave to 50, Kyle Lewis. Jacob deGrom, Zach Lowther. Frankie Montas. Let me get that Kyle Lewis sleeved up, actually. Congratulations to the Mariners spots. Gold wave to 50, Kyle Lewis. Good luck, y'all. Here we go. Here we go. Refractor, Griffin Jacks for Minnesota. Tyler O'Neill. There's a checkerboard. Those are non-numbered as well. Chris Bassett. To 75, Rose Gold Toil, Nick Castellanos. Verdugo, Paul Molitor. Ken Griffey. Refractor, Jose Abreu for Chicago. Gavin Sheets, Matt Olson. Steve Garvey. All right, guys, closing out to that half. On to the next one here. Good luck, good luck. To 100, Stan Musial, red cracked ice for the Cardinals. There's a Johnny Bench, Dennis Eckersley. Refractor, Marcos Diplan. Auto, Mike Baumann. There we go for Baltimore. Congratulations to the Baltimore Orioles spots. Mario. First auto of the break. Congratulations. Ryan De La Cruz, Drew Ellis. Jeter, another Derek. That's a, I think this one is an image variation. Congratulations to the Yankee spot. Image variation, Derek Jeter. Bobby Witt Jr. refractor for KC. Refractor, Tony Olivia. Jack Morris, Aaron Ashby. Oh, man, they got cards backwards in here like crazy for no reason, too. No reason at all. There's a green wave, Willie McCovey for the Giants, numbered to 99 for SF. Refractor, Justin Moreau for Minnesota. Eli Morgan, Fergie Jenkins. Monty Irvin, Paul Goldschmidt. All right, y'all, closing out that first box. On to the next one. Congratulations to the Baltimore Orioles spots. Check something real quick. All right, guys, I'm going to drop a link to Upper Deck Black Diamond. I'm going to drop a link to that Black Diamond break. The last Team Mojo Flyers. All All right, guys, there we goes a link to that last team mojo. Somebody go pick them up. We can get right into that as soon as we're done with this one. Somebody go pick up those flyers. Last team mojo. Also, you guys, going to drop another link. Still got archives to fill up. There's only a handful of spots left, you guys. There's a link for Archives Baseball. Archives Baseball, 10-box break, you guys. Guaranteed autos in all 10 boxes. Buyback. Retired Player Edition. 28 spots total, you guys. Go grab a spot in that break. All right, with that being said, though, let's get started on box number 2, y'all. Good luck. Good luck. All right, here we go. Good luck. Box 2. Frankie Montas refractor. There's a J-Rod rookie for the Mariners. Showtime base. Orange Toil coming up. I think I know who it is. Fergie. Fergie Toil, orange to 25. Congratulations. 18 of 25. I'll go ahead and get that one sleeved up for the Cubbies. Congrats, Chris. Stephen Kwan, rookie. Luke Williams. There's an O'Neal Cruz rookie refractor. Congrats to the Pirates. Great one to get, O'Neal Cruz. Checkerboard, Ernie Clement for the Guardians. That's a rookie. Those are non-numbered, by the way. To 250, Eddie Matthews, yellow lava for the Milwaukee Braves. There's an Aaron Judge, Lucius Fox, Hunter Green rookie, and Billy Williams. Lucius Fox, part-time Batman character, part-time ball player. Don Sutton. Finally. Everyone been hating on that. Okay, red cracked ice, Jeff McNeil, number to 100. Congrats to the Mets. Warren Spahn and Kirby Puckett.
All right, this is our pristine case.
For Gary Carter refractor, Paul Konerko. Max Kranick, there we go, for the Pittsburgh Pirates. Congratulations, Chris. Told you they hit a lot, man. One of the best teams to get the Pirates. Congratulations. To 199 as well. Keep it going here. All right, Michael Chavis, another one for the Pittsburgh Pirates. There's a pink cracked ice Michael Chavis. Those are numbered to 100. Teoscar Hernandez, Jake Boyga, Jake Berger. All right, nice refractor here. Edward Cabrera, the flamethrower for the Marlins. Speaking of flamethrower, there's Verlander. Pete Alonso. Dion Primetime. There's a Jim Rice Lava. These are the $2.99. If you bow, you get the cow. Deion Sanders. We have another rookie refractor. Not a rookie Jim Rice refractor, though, for Boston. Brandon Woodruff, George Brett, Wilson Contreras. There's a Spencer Strider. And Gold, Connor Siebold for Boston. Congratulations, Boston Red Sox, on your gold. That's a true gold, too. Sheesh. Beautiful looking cards. Nothing better than a true gold, baby. Boston, Alexander, congratulations. Bryce Harper, Royce Lewis, Jose Miranda. All right, y'all, closing out box 2 on to box number 3. Coming up. The Junior. All right, y'all, here we go, here we go. Make sure to go grab your teams in those other breaks, you guys. Make sure to grab that Flyers, Philadelphia Flyers, last team mojo. Last team mojo and Upper Deck Black Diamond. That break is super close to selling out, you guys. Same with Archives. Very close to selling out, y'all. Good luck, y'all. Here we go. Box 3. Closing out the first half of the break. Carlos Santana. There's a red cracked ice for KC. Brooks Robinson, Mitch Haniger. Tony Santillan. Refractor, Tom Seaver for the Mets. Bob Lemon. O'Neal Cruz, another rookie refractor. Excuse me, that's not a refractor. That's a base. Rookie O'Neal Cruz, though. To 150, Robbie Grossman for the Detroit Tigers. Jackie Bradley, Nick Plummer. Wade Boggs, Jack Morris refractor, Detroit. Austin Riley, Joey Bartz, Larry Doby, Pavin Smith. Number to 100, Goose Gossage. There we go. Flamethrower for the Yanks back in the day. Refractor, Andrew Jones for the Braves, George Kell, and Rodolfo Castro. All right, guys, on to the second half. Aaron Judge, Gabriel Arias for the Guardians, Lava Aqua, that's number to 299, Guardians. Billy Williams, refractor, Lorenzo Cain, refractor. Yasmani Grandal, Jake Cronenworth, Jose Miranda. Andrew Vaughn, a 100, Rodolfo Castro, another one for the Pirates. Pink cracked ice, Juan Santo, Jake Berger. Miguel Sano, Joe Morgan, refractor. Pedro Martinez, David Peralta. Checkerboard, Willie Stargell. Pirates stay hitting, baby. Pete Alonso, Gary Carter. And speaking of, Brian Reynolds, Blue Toil Auto. There we go. For you guessed it, the Pirates. Stay hitting, baby. Congratulations to 99. Let's get that O'Neal Cruz rookie this time, though. Rookie auto coming soon, hopefully. Don Sutton. The 150, Andre Jackson. Nice rookie to hit for the Dodgers. To 150, nice mini diamond. Hoy Park. Earl Weaver refractor for Baltimore. Seti Mullins. All right, y'all. Closing that out. Except for you, huh? Good luck, y'all. Here we go. Box number 3. That was the first half of the break concluded, by the way. Good luck, everybody, rest of the way. All right, guys, let me check other breaks real quick here. Only got 5 left. Let's see, is that team? All right. Looks like PYT2 is sold out. That break will be coming up next. Upper Deck Black Diamond coming up next, y'all. By the way, let me print this one up. All right, guys. Up next is that Black Diamond PYT number 2. That break is coming up as soon as this one is done. Probably the next 15 minutes we'll be done with this. Lee Smith, there we go for the Cubs. Number to 199, Cubbies. Ricky. Refractor, George Kirby, there we go for the Mariners. Jose Siri, Tyler O'Neill. Alfonso Rivas. To 250, Frank Thomas. There we go. Yellow Lava, the Big Hurt for the White Sox. Jackie Akil Badu. Refractor, Ernie Clement. There we go for the Guardian spots. Checkerboard, Connor Siebold, rookie for the Boston Red Sox. There you go. Another one for Boston, Ted Williams. To 50, Gold Wave, Corbin Burns. There we go. Congratulations, Brew Crew. Gold Wave. Wander Franco base. Billy Martin. Hunter Green, rookie. Tim Raines, refractor. Goose Gossage, Ivan Castillo. Jose Altuve. Alexander Wells, nice refractor for Baltimore. Paul Konerko. Darryl Strawberry. Albert Pujols. Adam Wainwright. Romy Gonzalez. To 100, Tim Anderson. There we go. Edward Cabrera. Glenn Otto. There's a Cody Bellinger. Refractor, Eddie Murray. Orioles. Trevor Story. Buster Posey. Oliver Ortega, Tyler Gilberts. Ernie Clement, nice hit for Cleveland. There we go. Orange Wave, rookie to 25. Ooh. Anytime you hit a rookie orange, man, tough hits. Congratulations, Cleveland. Dale Murphy. There's a J-Rod rookie for Seattle. Salvi and an Andrew Benintendi. Tendies. Chris Taylor refractor. Jack Lopez. Lamont Wade. Auto. Spencer Strider. There we go. Nice hit, Atlanta. Super. Super fractor. Who is it? Oh, no, he didn't. Bruh, Adley 1 of 1. That's freaking huge. That's a monster. Swings of Summer, Adley Gold Superfractor. Sheesh. Crazy. He juiced. To 75, Shane Baz. Nice hit for Tampa. Sheesh. Huge hit. Congratulations, whoever's in that break. Baltimore. Crazy. That's why you buy a Mojo break, baby. Crazy. Superman is in the building. All right, y'all, here we go. There we go. Vita Blue, Gold Wave. Rest in peace. Vita Blue, congratulations. A spot. Thomas, Gold Wave to 50. Sick one to get, actually. Oaktown. Believe he was part of those three-peat A's. See ya. Tariq Skubal. Berto Clemente. Refractor. Jesus Aguilar. Bernie Williams. Dave Winfield. To 100. Ian Happ. There's a pink cracked ice. Cubbies. Spencer Strider. Rookie for Hotlanta. Shohei rookie. Excuse me. Non-rookie. Shohei base. Oh, it's for you, Shane. Refractor. Zach Wheeler. Royce Lewis. Chapman. Sammy Long. To 299. Jose Abreu. Aqua Lava. Mike Zunino. Reggie Jackson. Connor Wong. And a Hideki Matsui. Refractor. Nick Castellanos. Early win. And auto. Juan Marichal for the Giants. There we go. Just took that dub, too. Congratulations, Giants. Sick one to get. That's going to Marcus. Congratulations. Ooh, that's sick, too. Sheesh. 27 and 99. Congratulations. Thurman Munson. Number to 100, John Heasley for Kansas City. Jake Cousins. Refractor, Yordan Alvarez for the Astros. Roger Maris. Oh, something to 10 coming up. Red to 10. Omaha. Jake Myers, rookie for the Astros. Number to 10. There we go. Nice hit. H-Town. Hold it down. Congratulations, Chris. Ooh, Chris. Hey. Stay hitting in this break, though. Congratulations. Rookie number to 10. 5 of 10. Congratulations. Love to see those low-numbered rookies. Maybe throw me a 1-of-1 tops. That would be cool. Refractor, Andre Jackson, Dodgers. All right, Randy Arozarena, checkerboard. Those are non-numbered. Jansen, junk. Willie Stargold, a 100 for the Pirates. Bill Mazeroski. Steve Carlton, refractor. Walker Buehler and Nolan Arenado. Here we go, last 2 cards. All right, y'all, closing out that. Down to the last box, then we're getting right into that Upper Deck Black Diamond hockey break, y'all. Upper Deck coming up next. In the meantime, you guys, make sure to go fill up this random team break. Random team break of Upper Deck Black Diamond, you guys. There is only 16 spots left, I believe. Link for it is right there at the bottom of the chat now, you guys. Go pick up a team in Upper Deck Black Diamond. It's going to be from a fresh master case, you guys. From a fresh master case. All right, y'all. Let's get finish this break here. Here we go. Last box mojo. Good luck, everybody. Let's go. Let's get a super fractor to end it, man. Why not? Last box mojo. Let's hit a super. Good luck, everybody. Good luck, y'all. Last box mojo. Here we go. 2 of 5. Jason Hayward right off the bats for the Cubbies. Sheesh. Chris, another low-numbered card for you. Paying off, baby. 2 of 5. Congratulations, Jason Hayward. Lou Bob. Jorge Mateo, refractor, Jackie. Nice refractor, good, definitely. Congrats to the Dodgers. Mitch Moreland, Andre Dawson. Hoy Park, Jackie Bradley. Josh Donaldson, red cracked ice, number to 100 for the Yankees. Will Clark. Eddie Matthews, Kyle Lewis, and Manuel Clase. Bryce Harper, and Manuel Clase again. Kyle Muller. 2/25, Keith Hernandez for New York Mets. Beautiful color match here, too. Orange Wave. Congrats, New York. Met spots. J-Tay, congratulations. Josh Lowe, Don Sutton. Auto, Riley Adams for the Nationals. Washington. From the capital of our nation. Furhan, bruh. Furhan. Literally every break you buy into, my guy hitting for real. Sheesh. Numbered of 150. I'm going to have to start doing Furhan recaps at the end of the day, to be honest. Sheesh. All right, guys. Here we go. Keeping it moving here. Refractor, Cal Ripken. Tyler McGill, Key Brian Hayes, JT Realmuto, Sparky Anderson, Dontrell Willis /199 for Florida. Jake Cronenworth, Ivan Rodriguez, Pudge, Refractor, Eduardo Rodriguez, Scherzer /299. There we go. Aqua Lava, Casey Mize. See you, Shane. Mitch Haniger. There's a Larry Doby, Chris Sale, Ryan McManahan, Gleyber Torres, Reed Detmers, O'Neal Cruz, rookie, Luis Garcia, checkerboard, non-numbered again, those checkerboards. Gary Carter, Rafi Devers, Bobby Dorr, Kike, Refractor, Jorge Mateo for Baltimore, Rod Carew /100. John Heasley /100. And Brandon Belt. All right, guys, that was closing out that last box. Once again, y'all, that was the break. Thank you guys all for tuning in. That was 2022 Topps Chrome Plus.